In this project we are going to be unboxing and putting together an Eastwood welding cart. The dimensions on this cart is 26 inches height, 16 inches width, a total length that's 38 inches, including the handle, that will give the top shelf at 11 inches 3/4, with a length of 20 inches, perfect size to place a millermatic 141, with a max capacity of 350 pounds. Start by installing the rod and wheels, followed by locking pins. Install the wheel covers on both sides. Continue by installing the front wheel casters and securing the bolts. Locate and install the upright brackets on the front side. Follow the same steps and install the support bracket on the back side of the cart. With the front and back supports on place, continue by installing the first accessory shelf. Now the second top shelf. This is where the welder will be sitting. Also the gas tank bracket will be bolted to the top shelf on the back side. Mount the liner and ground brackets on both sides. And last would be the pulling handle right on the end of the top shelf. Make sure all the hardware is properly secure. We have complete assembled the Eastwood welding cart. Place the welder on its new home. This welder is 65 pounds, get some help if you need to, and install the gas tank. Make sure to install the chain to lock the tank. Thanks for watching. I will leave the cart link on the description.